Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It's Rachel here. Thank you so much for watching. It has been a long time since I did a tutorial. I am back today. I am so happy to be playing with new makeup, and of course I am using all new e.l.f. products, and keep on watching. So I did my eyebrows, and it's the same thing, the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm using my e.l.f. hydrating Camo concealer just to prep my eyes. I always do this. And you guys, to tell you the truth, I have not made a beauty video, a makeup tutorial in months. I think it's been over a month. And honestly, I have no excuse. I've just been so not motivated to make any creative makeup videos, just because first, we're not going anywhere, and then the second, I just got used to not wearing makeup. Like, I have been not wearing makeup since we all started. For work, I have to wear a mask and a shield, so literally all you see is my eyes. Like, I don't even do my eyebrows. I literally wake up and go to work. So I just haven't been motivated actually to. I'm using my Huda Beauty just to set this concealer on my eyelids, and I'm super excited to use this new e.l.f. product. So we have the Sugar High 7-piece brush set. It's so pretty, you guys. The Fluffy Eye Blend, and basically I'm just gonna use this for here. Palettes, like, I don't know, it gives me like a Morphe palette kind of, even though Morphe is very affordable, but this one looks so fancy to me. So we're gonna go in with gold since I'm wearing gold today. I just wish I had a mirror in this palette, to be honest. So these colors, I don't even know the names of these colors. It might have said it in the box, but for now I'm just gonna take this like nice brown tone, nude tone, and just all over my crease. So I'm just gonna use the same one I use for setting that powder in, and basically I'm just gonna pat it on my eyelid, on the fold, and I'm just gonna extend it just because I want to create that my eyes longer than it is. So, and then I'm just flicking it outward, passing like the length of my eyebrow. So it is November. Are you guys getting ready for the holidays? I am. This is the best time of year. Even though it's been so crazy in the world, it's still my favorite time of the year. My birthday's coming up in December, and it's just like the best time of the year. So I love all the holiday traditions. One of my favorite holiday traditions was in the downtown, we do the Christmas tree ceremony. They turn the Christmas tree on, and it kind of sets the holiday season for the city. And they have this little Kringle Kit Market, which is for the holidays. It's all handcrafted ornaments that you could buy and purchase. And then we always go for the hot red wine, and then you get your mug. You keep the mug, and it always tells you the year. I remember always seeing it on the news when I was little, the Christmas tree ceremony. My parents just never took us until my boyfriend was like, oh, like, do you want to go? And I was like, when we were dating, I'm like, hell yeah. And we've been going since we started dating, and we've been collecting the mugs every year. And so far, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It would have been our 7th mug. But unfortunately, with everything, they're selling it online, so I might just buy it online. And I just don't like people who are like, oh, you're skipping Thanksgiving. Like, nah, bitch, I'm not. I'm just ready for the holidays. Like, who the fuck cares? Or when people are just so like Grinch people, like they just hate the holidays. I love Christmas music, so best believe it's in my car 24/7 everywhere I go. I'm listening to it's on my Pandora. Christmas radio. Check it out. It just puts you in the best mood. If you are feeling down, just hear Christmas music. Believe me, it will change your mood. Me and my mom love the holidays, so I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to go in. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here, and we're using the small angled brush, and I'm kind of giving myself like an eye wing. Well, I do hope everybody is safe, and I know it's such a hard time, especially now with COVID and the holidays, and you just want to be with your family. For us here in the city of Chicago, they want us to stay in for the weekends, for the week of Thanksgiving, just because they don't want people to be traveling a lot and going out. So they just want us to stay home as much as we can. I have this Morphe brush. It's pretty small, and I'm gonna use this to, so you can't really see it, but it's picking up. It's getting darker, almost like this like warm peach orange color. And I'm gonna go in and add this just a little bit to the crease right here. By the way, hopefully this video is not boring. It's because when I do my makeup, it's so soothing for me that I'm just talking like this. I'm not like, oh my god, look at these colors, just because that's not my personality. Even though I'm really excited for these colors and so excited to play with all this new makeup, like I am so excited, but I think my voice doesn't sound exciting, and I get a lot of, I want to say, compliments on my comments that my voice is very soothing. So hopefully you guys, it's not boring for you. So I'm just going back with the brown. Now we're gonna go in with the glitter. So I think I'm gonna use either these two right here. This like copper one. I'm really excited for this one. I think I'm gonna use my finger just because it looks like it will be better for my finger. So here it is, and I'm putting it right there. It's so bronzy, love it. With this brush, so this is the eyebrow brow, so you go like this for your eyebrows, but I'm using the bottom piece for the glitter part, and I'm gonna go in with this like champagne color, and I'm actually like trying to bring it inwards and out into the eyelids. Let me go back and add just a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner. This is actually from the AOA Studio Makeup. It's really affordable. I'm gonna go in, but just very little, because we want to wear mascara, some lashes, so I want this gold to pop more than the liner. For mascara, it's the same one I've been using, is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. If you guys have a favorite affordable drugstore mascara, let me know down below. This is like my all-time favorite, but lately I feel like it's causing me like irritation on my eyes. Like, I don't know what it is. I think I'm just gonna add like a touch of this gold right somewhere. Let's see. So I did that dark bronze color at the ends, and then I added that gold just like right here. I think that looks a little bit better. Now just for my under eyes, just to reduce the dark circles, I'm gonna go with the Allegra Pro Concealer, and this one is an orange corrector. So this one is very orange, so you just need a little bit, just like that. And then I do right here, because it's very dark right here. So this is my correcting. This is when I go like full out, full beat. And I'm going to mix it in with the pure beige, and I'm going to apply a little bit more of the pure beige under my eyes. The foundation is Can't Stop Won't Stop in Classic 10, and this is going to go all over my outer face. And then we're just going to blend everything. You see, you guys, it totally works. So now actually I'm gonna contour. And for my cream contour, I'm using my Huda Beauty, and this one is in medium. And for my nose, I'm gonna go in with, this is just the OAOA Studios, and I'm just gonna start blending this out. And for my under eyes, it is a new e.l.f. This is their Flawless Brightening Concealer. So it looks like this. It looks like a crayon, but then it has like a little brush. Ooh, it is like a pen. Oh my gosh, I did it. Compared to their Hydra Concealer, this was also very affordable. It's very lightweight, so I might like it. I'm gonna go in with the concealer brush from e.l.f. I'm just gonna put a little bit more because I still see some darkness. So now I am going to set. So I'm just gonna take my Huda Beauty, and before I bake, I'm just gonna set it. Now that that's baking, and we're gonna focus on their under eyes. Under eyes, we're gonna go back in with our palette, and I'm gonna go in with a dark brown. I just think copper looks so good in like my skin tone. I'm gonna use the new powder, and we're just gonna powder away. Oh, this is so nice. I do not follow the rules. I know it's bad for your lashes. I'm gonna go back with the palette, and I'm gonna grab that dark brown again. So I just have like the darkness, the gold, and then that like rose gold right there. I might just apply a little bit more rose gold. And for the lashes, honestly I have no idea what these are anymore. I always forget to put them back. I'm pretty sure they must be Ardell lashes, but I just don't know. I'm just gonna use my Morphe setting spray. But same bronzer I always use, my Maybelline 300. And the same bronzer I use for my nose. And we have a new eyeshadow bronzer palette. Bronzer, highlighter, and blush. So it has 2 shimmers, 2 bronzers, 2 matte blushes. Shimmer, I might go with this one. That's a nice color for me. Ooh, I love it. So I think I'm almost done with the eyes. I know, this is so crazy. For the lips, just so I don't look washed out, let's go with the lips. So I did get a new lip liner. I actually tried the KKW. This one's her lip liner Nude 3. It's actually a very, very dark, cool tone, which I love, but not for today's look. So I'm just gonna go in. You guys remember, this is where I keep all my lip liners. This is Colourpop BFF number 3. For the lips, I think I'm gonna go with, so this is in Lady from Juvias place. Underneath my eyes, I'm just gonna darken it just a little bit more. I do have this Too Faced highlighter that my friend actually gave me, and it's so pretty, you guys. And well guys, that completes my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And I definitely love elf. Like, I'm always buying elf products. They're so affordable. Definitely recommend these two palettes. I think also they were on sale right now on their online website. I love the blushes so far. This color on me is so beautiful, and then I can't wait to try this green eyeshadow on me. So I love this palette. I forgot that I actually got a free product with my purchase, so I picked up this brush. So I haven't used it yet. And by the way, these earrings, I want to say they're from Fashion Nova, I think. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. I think it's either Fashion Nova or Shane, one of those two. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.